Black is beautiful. Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, another video, another panty haul, of course. So guys, for today's video, may binili akong panty. Of course, I bought it. Saan ko siya nabili? Sa mall, guys. So I have here, ayan, two, black and mint green. Mint green siya, guys. I really like this one. Okay, and please do subscribe to my channel, guys, if you are new here. Okay, so unahin muna natin to. This one is so beautiful. Ayan, worth 39 pesos. 39 pesos lang siya, guys. Mura na siya. And then ayan, tanggalin na natin to. Okay, worth 39 pesos. Maganda siya, guys. Tanawa, ganito siya sa loob. I feel like I'm sexy to wear this. Okay, ayan, ganito siya, guys. Very nice, very comfy also. So large ni siya, guys, large. Okay, so ayan, maganda yung cuttings niya dito, guys. I like it. And can you see there is a kiss yung print niya, guys, is my kiss and roses. Ayan, so ito ang number 1 top. Okay, so for the second one is just black. It is magic. Wow, it is magic written here. Ayan, I bought this for 40 pesos also. And XL po siya. This one is XL, okay? And sige. Yeah, worth 40 pesos also. And then, of course, guys, like what I said, black is beautiful. Ayan. So, comment below which one is better, the mint green or the black one. I will read your comments, and of course, I do response also. Okay? Oo. So, or comment heart if you like the video. Thank you very much. Ganito siya, guys. Inside is like this. Oo. Inside, ganito din po siya, double. And high cut siya. Okay? This is high cut. I really like this one, the print one. This is magic. This is magic. Magic. Okay, so guys, ganito siya. Lilik. Okay, and then, ang ganda niya. Excited na akong suot sila. High cut din to siya, guys. High cut, and wow. I'm excited, especially like black. Black is beautiful for my skin. Like, I am morena, guys. I am not white, okay? I am not white, I am morena. Okay, so ganito siya. So guys, suot na natin to. Let's wear this and see which one is better to me. So guys, ayan, this is the green one. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda niya, guys, and I really like it. It's high cut, guys. Ayan. High cut siya, guys. Very nice, comfy. And cheap only. Good quality, guys. Ayan yung important. Maganda talaga siya. And then, yes, I like it. Ayan, yung kanyang, ganito siya, guys, diba? Sorry for my fonts. Like and subscribe, everyone. Ganito siya, guys. Maganda siya. Very nice. Ayan, ganito. High cut. And of course, kita yung mga fonts ko. But anyway, yes, totally okay. Everything is okay. Kasya sa akin ang extra large. Large and extra large, guys. Ayan. Diba? Ganyan siya pa. Ito siya, guys. I like it so much. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung isa because black is beautiful. Mas maganda pa rin ang kulay na black. Pero this one is I like the color also. The black one, ayan, so a black one, guys, a relace. Ayan, black is beautiful. I really like it. It's fit to my skin, and of course it's fit also XL for me. Ayan, it's nice, guys, right? Black is beautiful. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Thank you for your love or support, guys. Ayan, maganda talaga siya. I like it so much, guys. I like the color. Ayan, nag-ano sa skin ko. Yung nagmamatch talaga sa skin ko. I really like it. Ayan, pack ganun. Ayan. It's fit to me. Thank you for watching, everyone.